Alright, so I'm going to start by using Quick Blue, and I use this Quick Blue along with 40 Volume Developer, but the creamy one, and it lifts my hair to a white blonde. But I'll be using this developer. It's a 4-star developer. It's a liquid developer and not a cream developer like what I'm accustomed to using. I bought those at Vivian's Beauty Supply at Portmore Pines Plaza. The same stretch of Singer Depan. Yeah, they're right beside the Singer at Portmore Pines. These are the bundles from Longqi Hair. Shout outs to you, Bobo. Oh, this is their Cambodian set, the Cambodian Deep Wave. And I have a frontal. Let me go ahead and show y'all the frontal run net. They were the frontal look like, Bobo. As you can see, it's pre-plucked, but I'm going to go ahead and pluck just a little bit from the frontal. Look at these curls. They are so luscious and beautiful. They're so pretty. Look at, look at, look at, look at. So these are the bundles. I believe the longest one is 24 inches, you know. So this is the mixture that I'll be using to do my lace. Now, I did not allow this to sit long on the lace itself because I was scared, because I know this Quick Blue is very strong. And then the girl from Beauty Supply, from Vivian's Beauty Supply, said that the liquid one, it lifts quicker than the cream one, and I'm like, oh my god, I don't know if I'm ready for all of this power, honey. So I just mix it in a little cup, and I'm going to put it on how I would usually. Now, I would say that this is the one that would completely melt your lace. Along with the stocking cap method, this will completely melt your lace. So this is not for the faint of heart. This does take some finessing, because when I made this wig, all these bundles were damp. I just couldn't wait. I'm like, I cannot wait on this. This is crazy. So when I made this wig, all the bundles were damp. And I'm out of breath doing a voiceover, and I'm on at the 2-minute mark. So this is what it looks like. Alrighty, so let's go with the application. So this is actually a stocking, like a foot thing that you put on or something. So I'm going to put this on right now. Oh, this feels so good on my skin to cold. Oh my god. Oh, it feels so good. So I just used my Got To Be Freeze spray, and now I'm just going to cut the lace, the stocking cap off, and I'm going to be using foundation, but the foundation that I'm using is actually ebony brown, and this is the color I used to contour with. So, but I mean, it works. Here, Jonathan. All right, so here we are. Here's the wig. I have not done any. I just bleached the knots, as you guys saw, but I didn't let the bleach stay on it long because it doesn't look very bleached to me. So I'm gonna take my foundation and just kind of rub on it to kind of give it a little bit of color. Just rubbing on it. Alright, so this is what we have. Jonathan, I have to move from behind me because my wig going to fall on his face. So I'm going to put this on. So I'm just going to cut off this lace before I put it on. I don't like this lace before method at all. It's quite annoying. So I just cut the lace off. I'm accustomed to the lace not being on it. I don't know what I was thinking. Watching all these YouTube videos done got me messed up in the brain, huh?
Mom, why are you talking like that?
Oh, I'm talking. That's how I naturally talk. You guys look. Oh my boy. I'm laughing at myself because I look silly. You're an amazing brother now, yeah.
Mommy, something was in the hair.
What you put in my hair?
This.
You know, then they cannot be a weirdo all their life, you know. They can't turn off the fan outside, please, in the living room.
I can't do
The frontal, you saw how I fixed this baby up. You saw me doing the damn do. And for plucking, you guys, I just, because I didn't have my tweezer, so just went in and just like ripped like pieces of hair out, and that was my plucking. But guys, be honest, oh my god, this hair is lit. What else can I say? This hair is a bomb diggity, honey. Like, I don't know what you're talking about, boo-boo, but this hair is everything and more. I love it. I love the color. Wow, wow, wow. So I've tried the Cambodian straight deep curly. I only have like loose wave. Girl, I might just be going Cambodian for a while from Longqi, honey. Love it. I love it. Okay, this video is going to be long because this is like my gender reveal video. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video. But this is what it looks like. This is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video. I'm going to release these videos like one behind the other. So yeah, and you guys are gonna flip when you find out what gender this child is. Anyway, so that's it for this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Longqi, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Oh girl, thank you. Only use, as you guys saw, my got to be for this free spray, and it works, boo. So Longqi, thank you so much, and stay tuned for part 2 of this video, which will be going live tomorrow. I'm gonna make it go live tomorrow because I have a lot of baby videos I need to film, so I'm just gonna go live tomorrow. So okay, bye. I'm nervous because I already filmed it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm like, what are you having?